pencil, just following the natural lining of my eyebrows. I'm not going to start at the beginning only because I wanted to have more of a natural look, and I'm also going to do the same to the other side. I'm going in with my spoolie and brushing out the eyebrow, just to give it a more natural look. Now that I'm looking back, this eyebrow pencil is pretty dark, but I really just made it work. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my brown pencil and just add a couple strokes and just brush it out with my spoolie. Now I'm cleaning up my eyebrow and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and also using a little bit of the foundation to go at the top of my eyebrow to get more of a natural look. By the way, I'm using the concealer at the bottom of my brows and the foundation at the top. So I'm using the angle brush and the foundation at the top of my eyebrow, just cleaning it up and following the natural flow of my eyebrow and just kind of creating an arch. I'm going again with my concealer at this point, just cleaning it up and giving it a more defining look. Must I tell you guys, I really love this crease brush. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to blend until I'm not seeing any concealer or foundation anymore, and that's basically it. So we've come at the end of the video, and guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn your post notification on to get notified of more content from me.